Welcome back to Bike and Car Extraction, the ultimate place for raw power, sleek designs, and honest reviews. Whether you're a cruiser enthusiast or just getting into the world of motorcycles, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving deep into a true modern classic, the Honda Shadow Phantom. Let's unleash this beast and see why it's one of the most beloved middleweight cruisers in the American market. The Honda Shadow Phantom is not just a cruiser, it's a style statement. It carries a stripped-down, blacked-out look that screams attitude. Matte finishes, minimal chrome, and fat tires give it a stealthy, aggressive presence on the road. The low-slung body and teardrop fuel tank blend classic cruiser styling with urban toughness. It's the kind of bike that turns heads not because it's flashy, but because it's confidently understated. With its bobber-style fenders and blacked-out engine components, the Phantom is a beautiful tribute to old-school design with modern muscle. Powering the Shadow Phantom is a 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that's perfectly tuned for torque and smooth delivery. It may not be a high-revving monster, but the real charm lies in its effortless pull and consistent performance at lower RPMs, ideal for city cruising and highway glides. It uses a 5-speed transmission and shaft final drive, ensuring durability and almost maintenance-free riding. The throttle response is smooth, and the engine note, while not overly aggressive, provides a satisfying rumble that complements its streetwise look. One of the strongest aspects of the Phantom is rider comfort. With a seat height of just 25.8 inches, it's incredibly approachable for riders of all sizes, especially those new to cruisers. The wide handlebars and forward-set foot controls give it a relaxed, cruiser-friendly riding triangle. Its suspension is basic but tuned for comfort, with a 41mm front fork and dual rear shocks. While it's not built for carving twisties, it offers a confident, planted ride perfect for daily commuting and weekend getaways. The ergonomics combined with the Phantom's laid-back attitude make it an ideal everyday cruiser. The Honda Shadow Phantom is priced at around $7,999, offering fantastic value for what you get: dependable Honda engineering, timeless cruiser design, and minimal upkeep. In a market filled with flashy tech and sky-high prices, the Phantom remains a grounded, no-nonsense cruiser that delivers where it counts. Whether you're looking for your first bike or adding a reliable daily ride to your garage, the Shadow Phantom is a strong contender. It's built to last, easy to handle, and looks like it just rolled out of a custom garage.